Yeah. That's a no-no. Booger butt. Cordy. Stop it. No, my toe. Not my toe. What are you doing up there? Booger butt. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, now you're as tall as Cordy. Hey. This is the brave one. Mr. Attitude. Thinks he's gonna play with the big dogs. Hey, can you get out of there? Don't bite. Don't bite. Where'd all the puppies go? Oh, you guys are giving me a headache. There's one. Don't bite me. Stop. Uh-oh, somebody found a ball. Somebody found a ball. Oh, now they're going to fight over the ball. Oh, where'd it go? You guys, come on, really? Get out of the way. He can go. I'm trying to get the puppies. Everybody wants the tennis ball. Even the big dogs want the tennis ball. Cordelia. Keegan, get out. Move your big butt. Cordy. Ow. Don't clutch on my toe. Where'd the ball go? Who's got the ball? That's who's got the ball. Does that taste good? Yeah. Because it's my finger. Cordy, did you take that ball from them? Cordelia. Oh, no, not the carpeting. No, 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 no. No, no. Let's not start learning bad habits. What's this? What's this? Hey! Stop that. No chewing on the carpeting.